the note in the jacket. My nipple's not falling out. Dear Gaga, your music changed my life. On February 11th, 10 days before my 16th birthday, Born This Way was released. I will always remember waiting all night for the song to make its radio debut. Hearing it gave me the courage to finally come out to my parents. Unfortunately, they did not believe in the message of love and acceptance that the song holds. They treated me as if I was some stain on their perfect Christian family. They told me that the only way I could have ended up this way was if I had been molested. I was only 15. Hearing my family say those things crushed me. I had never been so ashamed. I wanted to die so badly because I thought my family would always be there for me. Your music was there for me when they were not. I remember having to listen to Mary the Night just to make myself stop crying so I could go to school in the morning. Born This Way helped me through some of the hardest times of my life so far. Thank you so much for writing it. It will mean the world if I could come backstage. Is this you, Jared? Jared, thank you for sharing your story. It's not easy to share the stories like that, but because you did, you know, everyone in the room has a similar story, can relate to each other, so, you know, that's amazing. You don't have to feel alone. You're not alone. You have a whole bunch of family right here. Turn on the fucking lights so we can see his family! Do you want to come backstage too? Great. See, I've already got my after party sorted out. Do you?